Welcome, we're gonna make French toast with my Cadence and my...
No, you're making breakfast.
French kitchen.
Okay, welcome to Kyla's kitchen. What do you got there, Kyla? What's in the bowl? How many?
3.
Excellent job. Okay, Kyla.
Okay, I'm making French toast. First, we put 3 eggs and then mix them up really well, and then put some white
Sugar.
icing sugar. This.
Now you're gonna put some
And now
little
you're
bit of
gonna
vanilla.
a little bit of vanilla.
Here, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Right there.
A little bit more. A little bit more.
Icing sugar. Holy cow, that's lots.
Good job.
Well, good job, Kyla.
Okay. Cinnamon.
And then if you get too much of this, you just put it in a bowl.
Now you're putting some cinnamon.
Oh yeah, lots of cinnamon. Cinnamon's good. Okay, good. Now a little pinch of this nutmeg.
And you put a little bit, not too much. And now I'm saying not too much.
So just a little tiny bit of this. I'll put this in because this
What was
is
that, paprika?
this is nutmeg. It's real spicy.
Just putting the milk
Now we're
in
gonna
there.
put a little
Then
bit of
put the
milk.
milk in there.
A little bit of milk.
And then look. This is how it kind of turns out. See?
That's what it looks like now.
Okay.
Daddy, I want to. Daddy, maybe we could fit one more in because there's still some more batter.
Yeah, that's okay. You gotta go eat yours before they get cold. Yeah, that's good, hon. Thank you. How's your French toast? Kyla, how's your French toast? How's your French toast,